Each character designs and builds a colorful kite reflecting their personality and dreams. They face challenges such as gusty winds and rival kites during the festival. With perseverance and friendship, they overcome all the challenges. Their kites dance in the sky, creating a beautiful sight. The story promotes creativity, teamwork, determination, and friendship. Flying Together is an adventurous story that takes us on a soaring journey. The story teaches valuable lessons about overcoming obstacles and pursuing dreams. It encourages children to embrace challenges and work together as a team. The festival atmosphere creates excitement and a sense of community. The story highlights the joy and freedom of flying kites. Children can learn about kite making and the physics of flight through the story. The characters' diverse personalities add depth and relatability to the story. The narrative emphasizes the importance of perseverance in achieving goals. The colorful kites serve as a visual representation of the characters' dreams. The story captures the imagination and wonder associated with kite flying. Children can learn about different types of kites and their cultural significance. The story promotes teamwork and collaboration among friends. It showcases the power of friendship in overcoming obstacles. The festival setting provides an opportunity to explore different cultures and traditions. Flying Together is an uplifting tale that inspires children to follow their passions. The story celebrates the spirit of creativity and expression. Children can learn about problem solving as the characters tackle kite-related challenges. The story encourages children to believe in themselves and their abilities. It promotes the idea that with determination, anything is possible.